traders, and welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to cover USD versus Japanese yen. I will speak about gold market, US oil, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the USD versus Japanese yen first. So basically what I found on this currency pair is that market got some down break yesterday, and after we basically reached the 115 area, which is also a round number, we also reached some of the like a pivot zone of this contraction here when we stopped there. And basically today we can see there is some breakout. If I zoom in the chart here for you, so you'll see there is a breakout of this contraction. We're trading back and forth here, and now basically we're exiting and we got the upside breakout. So from my perspective, this can lead us, if we add profile here, this can lead us to this 100, this upside break, and eventually lead us to this 115.83, at least towards that level. And if there is even more power, then we can even go potentially try to go all the way to towards 116.35, which is the key pivot high that we got from January 4th. So because of this breakout, this contraction, and overall the upside trend from the background, if you see here, there's a clean upside trend. I can see this, and I prefer more upside opportunities on the USD versus Japanese yen. So watch for buying opportunities on the pullbacks, and you know, especially on the pullbacks after the strong breakouts to the upside and strong good momentum to the upside. Checking about the gold market basically played nicely since what we spoke about. There was a breakout that happened here. Actually, we did fail that breakout for a bit price back to the mean around 117.91, and then they regained the power actually very strongly, and now it's on the way up. So I don't see any key resistance there all the way till, just take that tool, all the way potentially towards this 1814, and that's also not that significant, but it can be also some pivot level, and then all the way up towards the 1829, 1830. So watch for buying opportunities on the pullbacks on the gold market. Watching crude oil market, there is a pivot here that we got from 79.41. Price is trying to go upside. There was a breakout of this. This can be a double bottom stuff, and if we can attack against 79.64, then you can open the door for higher prices towards the 80 level and 80.45. So definitely watch for buying opportunities on the pullbacks and on the upside breakouts. Bitcoin versus US dollar, we can basically find that we got a bigger rejection from this key pivot support from September 22nd here. There was a pin bar, and there is a tail here that happened. It's a quite aggressive reaction from buyers. Market back to this 42,230, and now it's doing some kind of the balancing process. So if we don't break this pin bar low, if we really don't go towards that area, go aggressively for this 39,700, then we can also not see the 37,320 potentially in the play. So now it's basically consolidation after this buying tail, and if we build more balancing process there and start building higher, then we can open the door even for the price to back towards some recent previous swing highs at 42,800 and eventually towards the 45,360. So we'll see. It's indecision at this point, and there is a buying tail from yesterday that we didn't revisit today, and we're struggling to revisit that so far. That'll be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy, and trade safe, guys, and see you all tomorrow morning.